Yeah, good morning, everyone. Hello.
Good morning, Samir.
Good morning. Yeah, everyone is able to see the screen now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let us begin with the case study now. The title of the case study: Copy Data Tool. What is it? The shortcut of this is CDT. CDT, that is called as a Copy Data Tool. So guys, this is a very simple exercise and it will not take much time as well. Okay. So the Copy Data Tool is nothing but basically, okay, the Copy Data Tool. Okay, the case study is what? The title of the case study is Copy Data Tool. In short, we call it as the CDT. Okay, in short, we call it as what? CDT, Copy Data Tool. Where the specifications I'm writing, specifications. So guys, as per the this thing, the specifications are source data storage, yes, the source data storage, let us make it here as a Azure blob storage, and then we have the next one. What is it, guys? We can say file, any number of files you can take it, files, file, whatever you want. Okay, so basically it makes no difference, so we can take file or files, whatever it means, but I'm choosing one file. So guys, again I have what's it, sync data storage, so as per this specifications, the sync data store, let us make it as a ADLS Gen2. So guys, I'm giving some points, what is CDT and all, so that you will have a brief idea on this. Okay. Okay, copy data tool is an automated method to copy the data from the source to the target without using the amount of code, guys, without using the amount of code. Okay. So anyways, this is basically, okay, more convenient way. As you know that already, whatever we have seen the copy activities, okay, so far, here we don't have a much amount of coding, but this is purely automated. Okay, that's it. So guys, let's start with this. Start with this. So that's it, guys. Start the same. So to begin the process, let's create the resource group first and click on the create. Now guys, provide the name of the resource group. So I'm giving the name sample RG. Any name you can use it, but I'm using the sample RG. Okay. Click on the review. Click on the create. Yeah, am I audible to everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, guys, so that's it. So here, anyways, you don't have anything right now created in this. So I'm going and creating the source and the target for the same. Okay, just go here, refresh it once. Anyways, nothing is created. So now, as per the specifications, let's go to the source of the blob storage. So I'm just creating the blob storage. Okay, so let's create sample RG is the resource group which we have created just now. I'm just selecting it and I'm using our set source CDT. Source CDT means copy data tool. The source for the copy data tool, I'm using it. So as I wanted to make a blob, nothing else, click on the review and again click on the create. Okay, guys, so just go to resource. And from the left to blade, click on the containers. Now, just click on the container. So, guys, I'm using the container.
Hello, Samir.
Yeah,
We are only using containers from the first. Are we going to using that uh, all three as well? Means file shares,
yeah,
queues,
definitely,
and
definitely,
tables.
we will use it. Still, slowly we are moving into the subject. Don't worry about that. Now, just upload it. You mean to say file shares, queues, and tables, am I right?
Yes.
Yeah, we will use it. So, upload the data now. I'm just trying to upload the data. I'm using planes.csv as the file. Okay, so now the data is uploaded. Fine, guys. This is the first sources ready. Click on the another tab. I'm opening the another tab. And now the target. The target is ADLS Gen2 as per the specification. So just click on this storage account. Okay, so now guys, the storage account. Click on the new storage account. And again, select the resource group, whatever we have it, sample RG, and now give the name. So I'm using sync CDT. As you wanted to make this for the Gen2, click on the advanced tab, guys. Click on the advanced tab and select what is that. Tell me now what is the option you have to select it here. Enable. Yes, enable hierarchical namespace. Enabled it. Click on the review. Click on the create. That's it.
Samir, is it necessary that both source and sink are should be in one resource group or one region only?
One resource group.
Yeah, I
Region
mean,
doesn't matter.
sorry.
Region doesn't matter. Resource group what we want.
Okay,
Region
it can
and
be
all
different.
this, yeah, doesn't matter, but it should be under the same resource group. Okay.
Okay.
Sometimes varies also. I'll show you how does varies. When does it varies? I'll show you. Slowly, let us see this exercise. You'll come to know. Okay, guys, from the left to blade, click on the container. Click on the new container. So, guys, let's give the name here. So, I'm giving the name as a container as output. Click on the create. Open this. Okay. So, this is already open this. Anyways, this should be empty as it is, you know. So, guys, the third step is what? Just open this. Okay. So, I'm opening this. So that's it, guys. So now we have it here. Let's start with the data factory. Okay, so now guys, let's click on the create tab. Select the resource group. Now I'm using instance CDT. Click on the review. Now click on the create. Okay. So now guys, it says the deployment is failed. That means the name of the same, whatever you're using, it's already in use. So just go and reassign the name. instance CDT. So I'm using automated. Instance CDT automated. Let us try to run this with the name change given here. That's it. Go to this. Launch the studio, guys, everyone. So guys, click on the expand tab and now select what's it. Till today, what we used to do, tell me now. We used to click on the manage and create the link services, or we used to click on the author. Am I right or not, everyone? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now today we are going to use the ingest method. Can you see it? Can you find here an icon called ingest? Yes. Just click ingest, orchestrate, transform data, and configure SSIS. So these are the icons we have it. Click on the ingest. Okay. Once you click on the ingest, can you see here? You want to run it once or schedule it. Schedule means what? Using of triggers. You want to run it manually or using a triggers. So if you want, you can schedule a trigger also. But as still we have not seen how to schedule a trigger and all, let's not go into that. So click on the next. Now, source. What is my source, guys? My source is this one. This is nothing but the blob storage. So just mention here. Azure blob storage. So select the Azure blob storage. And now, do you have any link services, guys, already? See?
No.
No. So we have to create it. For that, click on the new. The step is the same step what we do it there. So use it here. ls underscore blob underscore source. Now select it. Select it. That's it. Okay, guys. So once it is done, select it here. Select the subscription ID, whatever we have it, and select the storage account. The storage account is source CDT. That's it. Click on the test connections. And now click on the create. Now, guys, the next one is source data store. These are the all steps you have to move it accordingly. So browse it. The folder and file within the storage account. So you have what is that folder is input. Planes.csv is the file which you want to access. That's it, guys. Okay. And then afterwards, can you see it? You have option binary copies, they are recursive copies. So I'm using by default as a recursive copy. Okay. So binary means whenever you have the data, or whenever you want to read the data, zeros and one, we can use this one. Okay. So click on the next. Now guys, data sets. Do you have any data sets? No, there is no data set right now. All right. So now anyways, leave it as it is. So select the semicolon. Okay. All the things row default is leave it as it is. That's it, guys. Okay. So delimited one, we have it. Or if you want, you can create a new one. That's not matter. But leave it as it is here. So click on the next one. Click on the next. Okay, what does it says? Okay, let's provide a name here. ABC as the name, column name. Just check it here. First row as the header now. First row as the header means what? Consider the first row as the header. That should click on this. Click on the next. Now, guys, destination. Destination means what? Information related to the target system. Select it here. ADLS Gen2. That's it. And now select the connections. Have you established any connections for the Gen2? No. For that, click on the new tab. ls underscore ADLS underscore Gen2. Select it. The subscription, you have it. Select the storage account name. Okay. Then afterwards, click on the test connections. Click on the create. Repeat the same process for the target as well. So browse it where it is. Select it, output. Click on OK. That's it, guys. And now, if you want, you can provide the file name. If already, because already it's there, so I want to take the same file name, so need not worry here. And if at all you want, okay, some copy behavior also we can mention it. Anyways, the copy behavior exercise we have not started yet. Okay, so that we can use it here. Anyways, click on the next. Give the data set here. So as it is, you can give the data set here. Okay. Delimited file. If you have any other file, instead of the CSV, if you have any other file, you can use the JSON, ORC, whatever you want. Okay, AVRO. So anyways, delimited file right now. Comma delimited. That should select it here. Click on the next. Now, guys, this is the pipeline name. So I can change the pipeline name. Directly, I can change the pipeline name. Okay. Pipeline. Pipeline. Okay, guys. For CDT. Pipeline for CDT. Click on the next. That's it, guys. Click on the next. Finished. Running the step. So finished. That's it, guys. Go to the output. Refresh it. Plain.txt. Open this. Okay, so just open this one. Okay. So guys, everyone is clear with this, or you want me to repeat it once again, guys? Hello? Is it clear, everyone?
Samir, in that sync location, there was something like file name. So is that like to change the file name from input and for the new rename for the output? Is it something like that?
Basically, no. File names are same now. See, in the source you have plain.csv. In the output also you have plain.csv
No,
or the plain.
when you are configuring that, there was something like file name.
Okay,
Yeah. So and that file name means what kind of that means?
just a minute. Let me do it again. I'll just show you once again. In just click on the next, select it here. Azure blob storage. Browse it. So select it here. The file whichever you wanted. Click on the next. Okay. Again, click on the next. Select the destination. So I'll select the destination as okay. Okay. Today now I'll copy into the same one. Azure blob storage. Select it. The same connection I want to use it here. And now folder is there now. So I will create one more folder. Output. Browse. Output. Click on OK. And again click on the next.
Yeah, here there is a file name.
If you want, you can give your file name, whichever the file you want. But by default, we are
So,
taking right now.
okay, okay. Means there is only just to rename that file name, right?
That's it.
In which,
That's it.
okay.
So type of file format you have it, delimited file, all this. Okay, maximum row per line you can use it here. File name, prefix, all those things you can use it. Click on the next. And now guys, use it here. PL copy.
So by default prefix is .txt, is it?
Yes,
Because last time we have created .txt file,
yes,
we haven't added any prefix.
yes.
Okay.
So that's it now. PL copy the that's the thing. But name of the pipeline is copy. So click on the next. That's it. Click on the next. See, validating and running, creating, finished. Go to the output. So I mean to say here, refresh it. Got it now? So here I have two containers, input container and output container. In the input container, I'm going into the output container. That's it. That's the reason why I've used only the one link service. This also a different storage account itself is different. Okay, the previous website. So that's it, guys, for the day now. Okay, any questions if you have, you can ask me, please.
Where this code is saved basically, because when we did
Yes,
we created the new ingest actually.
yeah, it will be created behind the screen. We can capture that code also. We will see one exercise on that. We will see the exercise on that. Don't worry.
So, Sumit, where it is automated means, is it something like that whenever we put any file, load any file in input and it will directly copy automatically in the output? Is it like that?
No, basically the yeah, you can pass it pass it as an output also.
Okay, this is CDT, right? Means automated copy data, right?
You this about your this you're telling. Tell me what is it?
Today we had seen the case study for CDT, right? Means
Yeah.
copy automatically data into source into destination.
Mm.
So where we configure that means in the future, if we use the same pipeline, if we debug the same pipeline,
It is the
so
same as we design it on a daily basis. It is nothing strange like that. It is the same. Only one is that only method is that I am not using the manual method. We used to create the linked service separately. We used to create everything separately, na?
okay.
Instead of that, I'm using this way. Nothing. Everything is normal. No change in it. So that's it, guys. Thank you very
So
much.
like once we just one question, Samir. So like once we created this, so we can run it once time because we have selected like run once. That's why we can't refer the same pipeline again, right? Like when we wanted to run it again, that same
Why?
copy
Definitely,
activity.
you can run this again.
No. Like
Uh,
in the previous methods, like how we created the pipeline, we can rerun it like many times we want it because we have that copy activity and we can debug it many times. But here we can't do that because we have selected the run once option, right?
yes, exactly.
Okay. So if we select the other option that we have, the scheduler and all those things, then we can run the same CDT
Repeatedly
multiple
in
times.
automated manner.
Ah,
That's it. Okay.
okay.
Okay, guys. Thank you, all of you. I'm ending the class. So from tomorrow, basically, we'll see the the main case studies. So tomorrow we'll start with the exercise called parameters. Okay, it's a very important and the beginning of the practical sessions. Okay, guys, thank you. I'm just ending up the class. Thank you, everyone.